Hello guys, welcome to the channel. And now we are going to learn how to use average in Microsoft Excel. And along with average formula, we will learn 4 different ways to calculate average. So let's start. We have data of units sold by quarter and by product. We can see the sales for different companies and different quarters of the year. Now we want to calculate average quarterly sales by each company. So we will use our formula here. The formula is equals to average, then tab, and we will select the range. So in our case we will select all the quarters, all 4 quarters, and then enter. Now you can clearly see average sales by quarter, and it's a very easy formula. Then you have to drag it till here, then you will get average for all the companies. Now let's discuss 4 different ways to calculate average without using the main formula. So we'll click here. We will use our second method here, which is equals to and sum, and then tab. We will select all the quarters, like these 4 quarters, then bracket over, and then we will divide this by 4 because we have 4 quarters, and enter. We got same average. And in the third method we will use equals to and again sum, then tab, and again select 4 quarters, bracket over, and then divide. And now we will use another formula, which is count, then tab, and we will select same range. It will automatically count the number, and then enter. Yes, we got same number. And in fourth method we will use equals to, then we will select total, which is total of all 4 quarters, then divided by 4. And in the fifth method we will again use total and then divide by our count formula, then tab, and we will select the count, then enter. You can see all the methods are giving same answer, and then we will select these and then drag these. This means all our formulas are perfect as all are giving same answer. There are some drawbacks in method 2 and 4 because we have used number instead of a formula. Let me show you how these affect your average. Let's say we are in the third quarter of the year and we don't have sales for quarter 4, so we will delete it. And now you can see the average has perfectly changed in method 1, method 3, and method 5, even after making changes in the data. But method 4 and method 2 are giving wrong answers because this is dividing data by 4. However, we have data for only 3 quarters. I hope you have learned how to use average in Microsoft Excel and also other 4 methods. If you like this video, please hit like, comment down your questions, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.